All right, you trader nerds, welcome into a Tuesday. How's everybody doing? I missed y'all yesterday. Had a dental appointment. I've got all my teeth in now, so the smile is perfect as it should be, and I am bright white, baby, and ready to go. So let's see how we're doing today. Let's see, the market is up today, y'all, 1.06%. Oh, behave. How is the market doing this? It is incredible. I thought we got bad news as far as inflation today, but remember, we live in a world where bad news is good news for the market, and good news is even better news. So here we go, up 1.07%. Let's look at our AD is 87. We're in the 13 handle of VIX, and everything's looking really good. Let's see our big green monster. So the big green monster looks like it is going to the 5250. It is a matter of time, and I don't see any pockets really, to y'all. This is a pocket here, but I don't see a lot of pockets down here. So this is very bullish looking. Let's look at our linear regression chart. Linear regression indeed looks bullish as well. We are going up here, y'all. It is just a matter of time. And our accounts are printing money. Wow. Walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up. All right. So let's see how our IRA is doing. This is the one we should have traded yesterday. So our IRA is at, this is a regular IRA, is at 72,758. 72,758. Let's put that in. 72,758. 72,758. We are moving on up, Rico.
We're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. Up 3.31%. So we're doing really good there. So let's see our Greeks and ratios in this little account. So we are at 72.56, still green, 72.56, and VIX is at 13. So our buying power is, we're using 19,000 in buying power. Okay. And remember, we can use up to 50%. So we're looking really good, and we're actually cool on the theta part. What's our position sizing in this one? Our position sizing looks like 2 per week. So I don't know. I'm not going to do 3 to bump our theta up a little bit, but let's see what needs to be closed in this account. See if there's something that needs to be closed. Aha. Yes, indeed. So remember, we have these black swan hedges that need to be closed by about 14 days, or what happens, then we're subject to the gamma risk and the valley of death. So we want to get out of that. So that's a 3450 with 16 days left. 3450, 16 days left. So let's get out of that. This is probably one of my working orders. 3450 with 16 days left. 3450, that can't be it. Let's see, that's opening. Let's see, to close, 3450. Here it is. Is it 6 of them? 3450. No, that's only 3. Let's see if there's any more of those. 3450s, 16 days left. I don't see anything else that says close. Let's see if I got 3450. That's a BSH2. Let's go find him. BSH2. Let's go to our orders or our groups. BSH2. Here's BSH2, 3450. Okay. So yeah, there's 3 of those there. So let's see what we can close them for. 3450s, create closing orders. Oh yeah, 25 cents. We're going to try 20, aren't we? Let's go to 20 and see if we can get out of those. Nothing. Dang it. Let's go to 25 cents and get out of those puppies. And they should be around 20. Okay, 20 cents. Come on, little feller. Get us out of here. There we go. We're out of those at 20 cents. Good. So let's see. We got out of those at 20 cents. Okay. And we did that on today's date, which is 3/12/24. So we made $431 on those. All right. Yay. So the only thing that says us to close. Now, wait a minute. I harvested some. Now, that's with 16 days left. So I guess my loans have 16 days. I could sell some shorts today. with 16 days, it would probably fill in 16 days. So I may do that. We'll see. All right, so we need to close these naked puts. Let's see, naked puts. We got 3,800s at 3 days left. Wow, waka. Now, I could leave those, I guess. 3,800s. Let's see those with 3 days left. I don't know. You need to follow the plan, Bobby. I know what you're thinking. Oh, those things are going to expire worthless. Let's see where those are. 3,800s. With 3 days left. There they are. There they are. Let's just close them. That's what the plan says, dude. It says I can let them go to expiration, but why? Let's get those out of 10. 3,800s at 10 cents. Cost me $7.88. I said it cost me, there we go, 10 cents. Let's put those out. No need in keeping stuff on, y'all. So let's go take those off at 10 cents. We're just following the plan, y'all. No need to get cute. We got out of these at 3, 12, 24. Good. All right. Now, let's see. What do we want to do? We took those off. So now, anything else need to be closed? No. So let's put on a 111 trade in this one. So we'll go trade MES. And let's do 2 contracts today at 120 days. So 129 or 119, let's go to 129. And let's go to a 10% probability of being in the money. So 10% would be right in here. Let's do this, 46.50, and we'll do 2 of those. Beautiful. So 30, that's good. And then let's go get our thing here. Let's see, 25, 5,100, 50, 50. Hold the control key down. Well, that's a little too much. Let's move those down some. Let's go 5,000 and 49.50. We want those under $10. All right, so let's do 2 of those. And nothing. Bueller. All right, let's go 850. 855. Come on, little feller. There we go. We're seeing at 855. I figured that would hit. All right, so let's put these in our little thing here. So let's go. Let's see how we do this. We're going to go. Where's my field orders? So we sold at 129 days the 46.50s for 31.25. 46.50s, 31.25. 46.50, 31.25. And what did we say that was? 129 days, right? So we'll go MES. We did 2 of those. 2. And we'll call this naked put 115. Put naked control colon, we said. That's today's date. Uh-oh, put it in the wrong place. I don't take it. 129 control colon. Control your colon. There we go. All right. So then that's got that. So then let's put the debit spread in there, 2 of those. And this is PDS 115. And I remember we got filled at 8.55. And this is debit spread. And there's the bell. And she's off. Control my colon and put. And what were those strikes again? Let's see. The strikes were the 5,049.50. 5,049.50. Okay. Now, what I think I'm also going to do is, since we got those 3 shorts taken off and our theta is low, what we're going to do is we're going to start another Black Swan hedge. So we're going to go ES, 3 of these, and we're going to call this BSH7. And we'll go sell these. Let's see where we want to start it at. You want to do another 120 on this one too? Let's go to the ES. Like doing those on ES, y'all. So let's go close to 120 days. So we'll go 129 and let's sell three for $3. So here, 29.50s for 315. Do three of those. Come on, little sucker. Come here, little kitty cat. Sell those, cancel, replace. We'll dime it down to, or nickel it down to 310. There we go. So we sold those for 310. So 29.50s at 129. 29.50s at 129. 29.50 at 129 days. And I think it was 310, right? So this is puts. Now watch how the spreadsheet knows to color it in there. Look, it's this short hedge. It's going to make it a little pink color and control your colon. There you go. Brought in $459 for that. So now let's go and let's do a closing order.
No, they're not.
Create closing order.
What?
And we're going to go this to 20 cents. 0.20. And we're going to do GTC and confirm and send. Good. And then we need to put this order in. So let's put it in for about, let's see, we sold it for 310. Let's see what our calculator says. SPH break in. So we sold it for 310. So if we were to harvest at $1.60, that'd give us a $15 profit. So I'm going to harvest them at $1.55. Let's see what kind of profit that'd give us. $1.55, $27.48. Trying to get this insurance on for free. So let's go here. Let's buy 5 for $1.55. And we'll go GTC. Beautiful. All right. And confirm and send GTC $1.55, 5 of those. Yep. Beautiful. All right. Now, what I want to do too is let's go to the mega account because the mega account did really good today. All right. The mega account is up $2,600 today. So I love y'all. Look at this. We are up 17,000 on the year. 2,600 of that is today's date. I don't know, man. I'm just like, I feel like putting on a full tranche of the BSH. So let's go to closer to 120 days. So we could do 112 or 133. Let's do 112. 112. And let's just buy some outright tranches here. Since we got a good move up today. It's a great time to do this. So let's go right here. Yeah, let's sell 12 of these. Let me buy 20 of these first. Let me buy 20 of those. So I don't say clear. 315. We're going to buy 20 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm just spending some of my profits, y'all, to get me a little bit of a hedge. All right, that ain't working. So let's go to activity. Let's go to this. Replace order. So we'll go up to 310. That should fill. There we go. So we bought those 20. Oh, there we go. Full fill. Now let's go back to trade. Let's go to that. Where's it at? 112. What graph is this? 108. Right? There we go. So we did 20 there. So we need to sell 12 of these. All right. So let's try to get 325 out of those. And let's do 12 of those. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. No big deal. We didn't get filled. Let's go get it. We'll work this down a little bit. 320. Set that a fill. And we are done. There we go. Fill them all in, baby. 12 and 20. So then you would go in here, we would harvest these, right? So we would go right click, close position, close 12 of them when it gets down to 20 cents. And we'll call this a GTC. Not that, GTC. There we go. So does everybody see why I did that? Big update in my P&L. Big day significantly. And I said, hey, on a day when the market's up 1%, start a hedge, baby. Start a hedge. I'm not greedy. I am setting my account up for good things to happen. Let's see if we can look at the, let's see, how do we get that little analysis thing? We'll go to positions, cap requirement. Let's look at this. Let's see there. And cap requirement, let's choose ES and go to risk analysis. Yeah. So if the IV were to go up 25% and we went down 20%, we would be down $232,000, baby. But it's much better. I should have looked at it what it was before we put the hedge in and what it is afterwards. But remember, we'll do a lot of things before we go straight 20 down to protect ourselves. All right. That's the hedge in motion, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow.